Hello. Today I'd like to talk about one of my favorite indicators for complementing Elliott wave analysis, the Keltner channel. Now, a Keltner channel it's defined by the average true range over a recent period, and then a smoothing factor is applied to that. My Keltner channels use a digital signal processing filter rather than a moving average to do the smoothing, so it'll look a little bit different than if you're using a similar indicator out of the box. The value of the Keltner channel is we watch how prices behave when they reach those channel boundaries, and that gives us information as to whether the wave is impulsive or corrective. We watch impulsive waves push through their Keltner channels, and then the channels turn and move with prices. We can see that here on this Nikkei chart on the left, where prices broke above the channel and continued higher, and then the channel is forced to turn upwards as well. This was an impulsive third wave. Now, prices have somewhat, in a number of indices, completed what we think were corrective rallies or impulsive rallies, and as prices have corrected down from there, we've been watching closely what would happen when prices reach their channel support levels, and earlier this week we got our answer. We can see on the Nikkei that prices reached the bottom of the channel, they reacted sharply and reversed. This tells us that the price action into that correction, into that channel support, was likely corrective. Although I'll say that when the channel is moving against the trend of prices or moving sideways, we do expect at least a pause or a bounce. So it's still possible that prices may roll over and accelerate along with the channel to the downside. But this strong bounce tells us that there is likely some additional upside ahead. The Seng index presented a similar example. We had a completed corrective rally at the point marked wave C here on the chart. We were thinking this decline has the potential to become impulsive in the Seng index. But this week we saw it bounce right from channel support level. That suggests that this recent this recent decline is simply corrective, and there is some potential for further advances. Again, Singapore presents pretty much the identical result, where the decline since the high, it could have unfolded impulsively, but once it reached support and has found some support there, it suggests prices are done for now. A third example was Jakarta, where we saw a potentially completed double zigzag to the upside, and prices then came off of that high. Again, was the wave completed? The bounce directly off of the channel support suggests that no, we just saw a corrective decline, it's complete, and now there is some potential for further advance. So Keltner channels are very useful to help us clarify our Elliott wave count.